Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Mang from BT21. So let's get started. To draw Mang, we're going to first start by drawing its ear. So come right here and we're going to draw a big loop, nice and round, and bring it back. So this is right on the corner, and then from there we're going to go nice soft curve, and we're going to start to build the head. So we're going to come down here as well, slowly build it step by step. And right here, we're just going to bring it all the way around. So nice big curve, drawing the nose area. So we're just going to keep going. You can bring this down. So just slowly build it. And about right here, I'm going to stop and round it off. And nice and round and bring it in. And let's see here, about that much. Let's bring this part in now. It's about that much. And fix my curve. Okay, so there. Now I'm going to bring this side down. So now we're about the same level. So big round curve here. And then about right there, I'm going to stop and I'm going to bring this part out. So soft, make a short angle line, and let's bring this down more so we're at the same level. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. Soft curve all the way across. There. So that's the basic shape that you're aiming to get. And then from there, let's come right here and we're going to draw a big curve. So about right here for the nose area. And just cut it off. And then right in here, I'm just going to draw, fill in actually, a little oval for the nostril. And then in this area right in the center, we're going to draw the eyes. So let me start with the inside first. I'm just going to go with a circle. And I'm just going to give it a little highlight right here. I'm going to shade this part in. And then I'm going to come outside of that and draw another circle right outside of it. So just follow your inside. There. Okay, so then now to draw the mane, I'm going to come right here and pop out a curve. And then it's going to continue out, so I'm going to come right here. Little one, and we're going to put two that are bigger that come out a little bit more. 1, 2, and then we're just going to end it about right here. And a smaller one. And then come back in here, just draw a line through each curve. So maybe right here, and one right here. There. And then now the body. So come in, give yourself some space for the hand. So say about right here, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve, small little curve for the body. And same thing about right here. Nice and short. And then just come in the middle of this. Now that both lines are about the same level, come towards the center. Say I'm just about right there. I'll give myself a point. And I'm just going to draw a straight line down. Not too long yet. Then from there, so this is going to be our center. Let's bring this in a tiny bit more. A little bit more curve. And then I'm going to draw the legs. I'm just going to go straight down. Say about that much. And I'm just going to curve it and bring it right back up to our center. So now that we're over here, let's do the same thing on the other side. So just make sure you're about the same level and bring it back up to this. And connect. So now the hands, just pop them out right here, come in and tuck it right in. Nice and simple. Same thing over here. And tuck it in. And then last thing right here is the tail. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that comes down. Say about right there, and then I'm going to add the tail. just like a leaf. And of course, can't resist. Let's add a heart right here. And now it's my Draw and Mang from BT21. So now we're done drawing. Let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you love my drawing of Mang from BT21 and it inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.